everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, for that I apologise. It's that old enemy, time, and the weather in Cornwall, the southwest, has been shocking, but mostly I just haven't had time to get out and about. So it's great, I'm out and about again, and I'm across at East Devon on the Pebblebed Heaths network of heathlands, lowland heath, at Woodbury Common, which I've not been to before. Done some of the Pebblebed Heaths, Ellesmere, Collerton, Rayleigh, but never been to Woodbury before, so I thought I'd have a look while the weather's reasonable. We've had some sun this morning, it's quite breezy, and a little bit of a chill. Spring is trying to break through. It's trying its best, and there are signs around, so we are getting there. But it's been a long time coming. So we're going to have a look, see if we can get any heathland specialists, possibly Dartford warbler. Yeah, so let's have a look around, see what we can see. Just staking out an area, sitting, keeping a low profile. I'd had stone chat, female stone chat, and then a Dartford warbler, but right in the sun, the wrong side. But I did manage to get some shots backlit. If they're okay, I'll put them on. But yeah, just shows if you sit quietly for a while and see what turns up. Patience is a virtue, as they say. So that's good, so far so good. So I've come across to Ellesmere now, Ellesmere Common, have a look around. As I've been walking, I've been looking along the edges of the heath and the undergrowth. It's been quite sunny, so I thought there might be a chance of some reptiles, and I was lucky, just managed to see a common lizard scuttling off as they do normally. But a good tip is, if you sit quietly and wait, more often than not they'll return to exactly the same places where they were before to bask, making the most of the sunshine. Sure enough, it did. So I was able to get some shots and a bit of footage, which was good, lovely. Haven't seen one for a while. So we're going to have a little walk around here for a bit, see what else we can see. So the wind's really picked up now. Not a lot about at the moment. Birds tend to keep a low profile in this wind, especially the Dartford warbler, preferring to keep low down in the gorse and the heather. Can't really blame him. But it's been a nice morning. Spring is definitely, it feels more spring-like today. Lots of signs, lots of wildflowers about. The birds are busy. And the weather's meant to be improving this week as well. The wind's going to drop off. Lots more sunshine. It's about time. So we're going to wrap it up there, I think. Thanks ever so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again.